GasOne 64QT 16-gallon stainless steel homebrew kettle set. Second on our list of the top options that you can choose from if you wish to buy a new brew kettle for your beer brewing operations is the GasOne 64QT 16-gallon stainless steel homebrew kettle. This is a medium-sized option that can hold up to 16 gallons of liquid. Two alternative options are available, including an 8-gallon and a 10-gallon brew kettle. The product comes with a number of crucial components and accessories to make the process of brewing your own batches of beer faster and easier. The stainless steel used to produce the GasOne 64QT 16-gallon stainless steel homebrew kettle are commercial grade, while the finish applied to the stainless steel material offers a classic and sleek appearance. The product is also exceptionally durable and will last for quite a significant period of time. In addition to being an ideal option for brewing beer, this particular option also doubles as a cooking pot for crabs, peanut boiling, and for cooking crawfish.